Assalamu alaikum and welcome to The Hungry Mood. Today, Yasmin and Zulfikar are bringing you the most perfect and easy butter chicken recipe, one that'll have your whole family asking for seconds.
Before we get cooking, let's get everything ready. For the marinade, you'll need 500 grams of chicken, half a cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, turmeric and red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. For the sauce, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 large onion, 4 ripe tomatoes, half a cup of fresh cream, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. Simple ingredients, incredible results.
First up, the marinade. Zulfikar is cutting the chicken into nice, even pieces so everything cooks perfectly. Meanwhile, Yasmin mixes the yogurt with all the spices and ginger garlic paste. Every piece of chicken gets coated generously. Don't be shy. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. If you have more time, even better.
While the chicken rests, let's build that beautiful butter sauce. Zulfikar melts the butter on medium heat. Look at that gorgeous golden color. In go the onions, cooking low and slow until soft and lightly golden. Now Yasmin adds the fresh tomatoes, ripe, juicy, full of flavor. All the spices go in and everything simmers together until the sauce thickens and turns this incredible deep red color. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing right now.
The sauce is ready and the kitchen smells incredible. Yasmin adds the marinated chicken pieces right into the sauce. Listen to that sizzle. Stir everything together so every single piece is coated in that rich, spiced gravy. Cover and cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes, stirring every few minutes.
The chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened beautifully. Now for the moment everyone's been waiting for, the fresh cream. Zulfikar pours it in slowly while Yasmin keeps stirring. Watch how the sauce transforms right before your eyes. Rich, silky, and that signature deep orange color. Finish with a pinch of garam masala and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Taste it, adjust the salt, perfection.
And there it is, the most gorgeous homemade butter chicken. Ladle it into a serving bowl, add a swirl of cream on top, and finish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with buttery naan or steamed basmati rice. Yasmin and Zulfikar made this look easy, because it is.
That's all from The Hungry Mood today. We hope you try this recipe and love it as much as we do. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Leave us a comment below. We read every single one. Assalamu alaikum and happy cooking!